Welcome to your new Florida home. We are on the nature coast of Florida, and I'm very anxious to show you this beautiful home that is new to the market in our gated community of Terra Vista. So you can see we've got a lovely open concept. The very first things you're probably noticing are these decorative travertine tile floors. If you look up, you'll see the tray ceilings. Everything is freshly painted with very neutral colors. A very nice flow through this house. I'm going to walk you through and just tell you about some of the features. So right off the bat, we see to our left is the guest quarters, and the guest bedroom here in the middle also can serve as a nice office flex room. It has a couple of solid core pocket doors, a nice closet, and then what I love about this design is it actually has another door that walks right through to the guest hallway where you have the full bathroom, the walk-in shower, and then the other guest bedroom. Nice little linen closet here and spacious bedroom overlooking the front of the house. So you'll notice the bedrooms all have the fans and lights in them. So you're all set there for comfort. Then we head back down the foyer and we open up to this formal dining room area, again with the tray ceiling, and the main living room and open concept kitchen and breakfast nook. Of course, you're seeing that we are on the golf course here in this gated community. We've got a lovely pool to enjoy and overlook the scenery of the golf course. This is a developing community. It is a resort style community that has all of the amenities that I think one could ever wish to have, from golf courses to multiple different community pools, fitness centers, dog parks, restaurant, tennis courts, pickleball, parks, walking trails. It just goes on and on and on. So you can be as active or not, whatever you please. And this particular section in home is maintenance free. So all of your maintenance is taken care of for you. And you just enjoy living here in Florida, enjoying the weather, the beautiful weather, the beaches, the activities. One of the things I want to point out in this kitchen, it has the pullouts in every one of these cabinets. You also have a lot of drawers, as you can see. Beautiful upgraded granite countertops, gorgeous warm wood cabinets, and a lot of decorative things. We've got the pantry here, so you've got a lot of good storage space for all of your non-perishable items. The refrigerator's tucked nicely here, so it's not a something in the middle of the kitchen that's kind of a eyesore, but convenient to everything you need. This extra little coffee bar or wine bar here is great. The laundry room has another pocket door. Now, mind you, because these are solid and very extra tall doorways, but these solid core doors, they're heavier, so it takes a little bit to pull these pocket doors out, but you can shut off your laundry room, which is equipped with the laundry tub, from the rest of the house. So that's always nice. If you're using the laundry room, you don't want any of that to be seen or the washing machine to be heard, you can shut that off. We've got the 2-car garage, and I will tell you that a full-size truck fits in this garage nice and snug. Garage door still comes up and down, including with this storage that's built in here. So you are all set here. You can have a golf cart in the garage. It is a golf-friendly community, so you can just, putz around in your golf cart from the different activities and just be very convenient. We have the central vacuum for the house, so that makes vacuuming the floors and maintenance pretty easy to do. And this flow is really neat. As you can see, it winds around between the dining room, the kitchen, the living room. Everything kind of flows together. We'll step out here to the lanai quickly before we go into the primary suite. Again, beautiful view of the golf course. And you will often see golfers out there, and we can see a set of golfers there right now. We have this lovely pool. We've got this waterfall spa to enjoy. And this lanai is equipped with fans as well as the nice fireplace that also emits heat for you. You're probably noticing there are speakers. There are speakers on the lanai, there are speakers here in the living room area, there are speakers in the primary bedroom. This entertainment center, which is built in, custom for this house, is equipped with all of the equipment to enjoy surround sound with your TV and operating the speakers throughout the house with whatever entertainment, whatever music that you would please. So we'll head on into the owner's suite, the primary suite. Nice spacious bedroom, French door out to the pool for convenience. We've got 2 closets, walk-in closet here with a good amount of shelving, and then a built-in closet there. The ensuite bath has the separate vanities, so not just 2 sinks, 2 separate vanities all together. We've got the water closet here tucked to the side with extra cabinet space for more storage, and this awesome walk-in, no ledge shower. Beautiful tiles, a nice bench here. Again, a pocket door to separate that space. So this is an absolutely gorgeous home. I hope you're seeing that. And it really caters to the Florida lifestyle where you can just enjoy being in the Sunshine State and living that phase of your life. So whatever that means to you, whether this be a vacation home that you come to from time to time, your full-time permanent residence, whatever your circumstances are, this is a place that you can really enjoy and appreciate. So I'd love to show you more, talk to you more about this house and all of the many features and benefits to it. So please don't hesitate to reach out to me. I'm Ruth Squires with RES Luxury Group of eXp Realty. And RES Luxury Group brings you white glove service and red carpet treatment because your satisfaction is our guarantee. You can call any of us on the team at 352-794-1426.